saw it in you got a lesson. The carer who is looking after your mom. Do you know how the carer is treating your mom or your dad? You don't know. The moment you bring the money, you are family. So we came out that if we can champion something like a dementia center, not only Ghana, I've got Nigeria people in our midst, we got Kenya. It's a huge organization. So because I'm the Asantefuhemaa, then I always stand up if I mention my king's name, Otumfo Tutu, the second. We approached him, we sell our story that this is what we want to do. And he gave us the agreement. I said, good idea. So we started about 5 years ago, championing Kumasi and know what is going on. So we went to Confirmatory to sell our story. Everybody was happy. So this is the time. We've done it last year. Last year was just an accident to just let people know. But this time, we're adding trade and food fair to it. Trade and food fair and championing into youth to know more about the dementia. So Jachihene have given us a land. Bonre, I know you know Bonre, the Kente. Bonre have given us a land, and Awoko, Nanahemaa have given us a land as well. So we champion, we want sponsors to make this dream come true. And we want to start the first center, dementia center in Asante Precisely. We will name it after our king and our Queenmother. And anybody who sponsor this dream will get one room and then over there. It's something that is historical and we're not going to stop over there. We'll be coming to Nigeria as well. We will not that we are saying it, we will come to Nigeria and we will go to Kenya. We are doing this for everyone to know that we mean what we are doing. And next year, we are championing for slave trade for them to compensate us. Now I'm saying this in my king's palace, and I know nobody is going to steal this dream. Because if you steal it, you can't deliver. So I'm saying it in front of our king that we're going to champion it. But the champion it doesn't mean that we stop. Because they always say that we spend money, we use money roughly. And I can't pick points about my politician, we can't go there. We are kings, we are community leaders. So we address our community. So it's something that they will have to do something to compensate us because we suffered a lot. So my king,
thank you. Sorry, I went too late so that when I'm coming there to visit my queen, I also see other people. So the fancies, do they have some there?
The fancies, they've got the black stool fancies who are king mothers.
I'm talking about the white stool, the diaspora.
No.
Okay. What about the white?
No.
What about the
Ghana? No. No, they are. So I'm trying to pursue them to promote it because, like, if you are the Asante queen, the vice, and you don't promote, you be selfish. You can't do the work on your own. So I'm trying as much as possible to do. So in our, there are 3 groups. We call kings and queens. UK Ahemfone Ahema. It means kings, UK kings and queens. So anybody can be part of it.
So this program is what time next year? Is this year? This
17th of August. From the 11th of August to the 17th of August.
Okay. So So how is it going to be celebrated?
It's going to celebrate from, that's what my chairman said, that's 1 week program.
Okay.
Yeah. But the 3 days is more important. The 3 days is for the king. So the 3 days is one for the Senate for trade and food fair, which a lot of people, like investors, have shown interest. And you can't believe my king, someone from Cuba calling. Yeah. Someone from Malaysia have called China. Yeah. The word Otumfuo give us a word.
You see, I removed my cap for him when I was greeting him because he's the king of Africa, honestly.
Yeah. So it's like that's what we will do on that day. And the next one is the dinner. The dinner, we're getting a lot of people. We want more, but because of the king, we can't make it. Yeah. Because those people who have done well in diaspora, we're going to award it with a new, they haven't done it before. We are going to champion it. Because if you are in the house and you don't pamper your children, you leave them and go there to pamper someone's children, I don't think you are doing well. So those people, and not only the Asantes, those people who diaspora, if make it diaspora, we're going to award them. And anybody who will surpass us with the sponsorship too, we're going to award in front of everyone. Our social media is champion, so we will announce it for everyone to know that this is where we're going to do. So the Sunday is the Akoside. Have you been to the Akoside?
I've been to the king has invited me twice.
Once you can see how it is. So that's what we're going to do. We go Ukude and we go Akoside.
What did you do?
Ukude means the Wednesday before the Akoside is 2 weeks. I think 3 weeks to the Akoside. We prepare all this togetherness. Where the king will sit down and we go and greet the king. And before the king comes out, the king knows what is going on with all the tribe. So he brings all of us together. So then the president is this Sunday. So no matter where you go, you have to go. What do you say in Mikosom? How do you say it? Are you going to worship?
To serve.
To serve. So you're going to serve. So it's our duty to go and serve.
We are doing this because the same vision that we are championing abroad, the same vision that you are championing abroad, I cannot do it alone. I also want to thank you for promoting the Akwasadai, right? Akwasadai of the Ashanti people. I saw the Akan, right?
Yeah, but the Asante is promoting it
more. The Akan celebrate the Akwasadai. But what you are promoting there now is the Asante one.
Because we haven't got Infante Queen in UK.
So how many do you have there?
We got a lot of kings and queens. And some of them, they use the word black stew. Because black stew means, how do I put it? They are in Ghana. Okay. Their stew is in Ghana. Okay. So I brought this out there. If you are black, we are white. So they call us the white stew.
Okay.
So we are over there promoting our culture.
The diaspora.
Yes. Those kings and queens like Nanahemaa in UK, they are our patrons. Okay. We bow down to them.
The black stews.
Yes.
Yes, because they are the traditional holders. Yes. They are traditional stew holders.
Because when I'm about to greet you, I took off my sandals. Because I have to respect your office.
So me and you were the same diaspora, so.
Yeah. we are same the diaspora, but you are in Ghana, and I'm from
Okay, okay.
So I have to respect
Okay,
that.
thank you,
Yeah,
my
I have
queen.
to.
Thank you, my queen.
I have to
So in
respect
UK,
that.
you have the Ashanti.
We got the Asante Queen. Only
You
me
for now.
for the price to is only me.
Yeah, okay.
But if you want a lot, there's a lot. But they haven't got the Asante Queen. We got the areas like Bantama, this
But the thing
areas.
about Ashanti Queenmother there.
It's me.
Okay, so Ashanti Queenmother, you're only one in the whole of the UK.
Yes.
You don't have any other one that you.
Yeah, I've got sub
Sub,
ones in sub areas
okay, sub
like
border.
Manchester,
Okay.
Martin Key, so on
Okay.
and so.
So they're under you.
Yeah.
So that means you are like leader.
Yes.
You are the leader of the Ashanti Queenmother Diaspora Throne.
Yeah.
Then you have other sub
Yeah.
Queen Mothers under you. Beautiful. That's exactly what we do here in Ghana. Like me, I'm the Igbo Diaspora Throne head here in Ghana. So I have other sub Igbo kings.
So the one in I went to his palace in Kumasi.
Okay.
You know,
The Igbo.
yes.
Igbo.
It's Igbo, but the other one is the Muslim side.
Okay, the Yoruba. It's Yoruba.
Yoruba.
It's Yoruba. Yeah, I know him. It's Yoruba.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I went to
Okay,
last year.
that's good. Okay. Okay, so that's Yoruba. Yoruba, their head is in Accra. So, but they have in Kumasi, they have in Kasua, they have in Tamale, in so many places. So Igbo people and their head are in Accra.
So you got one in Kumasi.
No, Kumasi, we're on it. Very soon we will have one in Kumasi. By the grace of God, by the grace of God, we'll have in Kasua, we'll have in Tamale, we'll have in Aflawo, we'll have in Medina, we'll have in Abasama, we'll have in Cape Coast, we'll have in Ashama. These are all Tami.